Hi everyone, it's Sue. And you know what I like better than cozying up with my loved ones and watching Christmas movies this time of year? Yeah, me either. It's my most favorite thing to do, and I want to share that with you. So welcome to day 2 of my 12 Christmas movie themed collaborations. Now what's this all about, you might ask? Well, I have chosen 12 of my favorite Christmas movies, and I am going to be doing a craft or an art piece based on those themes. Now this is an open collaboration, which means anyone can join, no matter if you're crafty or artsy, if you bake pies, if you read books, if you like to wear different clothing outfits, whatever it is that you like to do, but do it in the theme of the movie. Now how do I participate in this, you might ask? Well, go down to the description box below this video and you will see the 12 movies that I have selected, as well as the date the video is to be uploaded. You'll also find what you need to put in your title of your video in order for it to be put in my special playlist. Now don't worry, if I miss your video somehow on that week, I will still add it to the playlist and give you a shout out. That's right. Everyone who participates gets a shout out on my channel. It may or may not be on the day of the video, but everyone by the end of the 12 days will get a shout out. A great way for new YouTubers to collaborate. So last week I did a wreath inspired by the movie Christmas with the Cranks, starring Tim Allen and Jamie Lee Curtis. So if you missed that and you still want to check it out and all the other amazing YouTubers who participated, click on the link above. Now, there are some crazy Christmas elves out there like myself that are doing all 12 movie themes. Now that's really ambitious. You don't have to do all 12. You can do 1, you can do 5, you can do as many as you like. But I really hope to see your creative creations in part of my collaboration. So I went with the frosty kind of theme today to represent the heart of our villain today in this Christmas movie. But not to worry, he melts in the end. My favorite Christmas movie of all time is Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol. Now there are hundreds of versions out there, so I decided to incorporate some of the different characters from the different ages of the movies into my charcoal drawing today. So if you want to see the frosty fiend that turned into the benevolent benefactor, let's get started. Before we get started, here are the shout outs to all the amazing YouTubers who are involved in this A Christmas Carol collaboration. Leigh's Art Studio, A Dollar Tree Mimi's World, Love Anything Art, Elevated Intuition, Legolita Luna, Trina Lyn Creates, Davy J Art with a Pen, and Lern The Conjurer. There will be links to their videos in the description box below, so please make sure you check all of them out. They are all different and all amazingly creative. Jujube Crafts and More. To match the old and dark feel to this spooky Christmas tale, I decided to do a black and white charcoal drawing. And to pay tribute to the many, many versions of this movie that are out there, I picked a character from different eras of the movie. So I went with George C. Scott in the 1984 version of the film as my Scrooge. He was my absolute favorite. Then the Ghost of Christmas Past I took from the 1951 version starring Alastair Sim as Scrooge. The Ghost of Christmas Present was from the 1999 version starring Patrick Stewart as Scrooge. And for a sense of lightheartedness, The Ghost of Christmas Future was the 1992 version from A Muppet's Christmas Carol. So sit back, relax, and watch this journey unfold.